Today we're going to do a quick little tutorial on how to attach crimp-on style connectors to wires. Some of the tools that you'll need is a stripper, some style of a crimper, and a heat source. Connectors we are using are heat shrink style ones. Bought this whole kit here on Amazon. I think I gave right around $14 for it. Say you had to replace a motor in your fan in your bathroom. You'll get the new one that'll just have flying leads on it. You get you a connector. There is non-insulated connectors, insulated, and insulated with heat shrink. I prefer the ones with heat shrink because it just makes a weatherproof seal that you don't have to worry about in several years down the line. Insulation cut back about 1/4 of an inch. So slide that in until the insulation hits the barrel right in here. Until it hits the barrel right in here. These crimpers have red, blue, and yellow. Since we are using a red connector, which indicates it's an 18 gauge, that's what we're going to put on here. Just go ahead and crimp it down. Perfect every time. So we'll go through, we'll slide this one in until the insulation hits. Same way. And crimp it all the way down. Now what you end up doing, just take a little lighter match. Hair dryers will work, but a lighter seems to work pretty good. And most RVers have a lighter in their camper. So you don't want to get too close, don't want to get too hot because you don't want to burn it. There is glue on the inside of these heat shrinks, so it makes it a waterproof seal. And there you go, you can't pull it apart. The other situation that you might run into is you might have to, this is an old capacitor, it has been discharged. Everybody knows about capacitors. It's not good to have them charged. So we'll just do it just to check. Basically you just go across it like that. There's no power in it. We had to replace a wire, so the wire got burnt on the end. You had to replace the, that's actually even the wrong one. So we have a female going on to the male spade. Pretty much the same thing. You just shove your wire in, take your crimpers. Now that these are blue, put it in with the blue one, crimp it down, take my lighter, same thing. Go around it. Quick little tutorial on how to use crimp-on style connectors. There is a vast array of connectors that you can have. They have anywhere from round ones, so if you want to put them on a post, ones that slips over studs. These are very useful connectors to have around, especially on your RV, because it seems like you're always fixing something, wiring, whatever. You got a little one there for like a hook, so if you're putting it over like a small power inverter or something like that, that would be great. So that's where we're going to end this video at. Hope you found it informative. See you guys later. Bye.